Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on building multi-step workflows in GoHighLevel. Let's get started. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Automation and then select Create Workflow. You'll have the option to Start from Scratch. Click on it. Now, you'll need to set up a trigger for your workflow. Click on Add New Trigger. Let's select Email Events as our trigger. You can customize the trigger settings based on your needs, and then click on the Save Trigger button. Now that we have our trigger set up, let's add some actions. Click on the Add Action button. Select Send Email and fill in the details. Don't forget to personalize your email. Click on Save Action button. Great! Now, let's add more steps. Click the Add Action button again and choose Wait to delay the next action. You can set it for minutes, hours, or even days. And click on Save Action button. Next, click the Add Action button again and choose Send SMS. Make sure to craft a message that engages your leads. Then click on Save Action button. Once you've added all your actions, it's time to test your workflow. In GoHighLevel, we'll simulate the workflow to ensure everything is working smoothly. Finally, click on the Save button and then click on the Publish button. You've successfully built a multi-step workflow in GoHighLevel. And there you have it. Looking to enhance your workflow and improve lead management? Consider giving GoHighLevel a try with their 30-day free trial. Be sure to schedule your kickoff call for a seamless experience. You can find all the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.